Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your device supports True Tone and updating iOS so color calibration is current. Once done, back up if you prefer, then open Settings and go to Display and Brightness. Tap the True Tone toggle to enable it. You're activating the ambient light sensor and color profile adjustments. This changes color temperature dynamically to match your surroundings, reducing eye strain and keeping whites neutral. Now that True Tone is active, move to calibrating and testing it in different lighting conditions to see the effect. You need to test True Tone under several lighting scenarios so you understand how it alters color temperature. First, view a neutral grayscale or white page under warm indoor light and then under cool daylight. Observe the subtle shifts. Make sure to disable night shift and set brightness manually so those features don't mask True Tone. If colors look too yellow or too blue, toggle True Tone off and on to compare. This helps you judge whether True Tone improves perceived color fidelity or if you prefer it off for color-critical work. You'll now decide how to integrate True Tone into daily use. Keep it on for reading and general apps to reduce strain, and switch it off when doing photo or design work that needs exact color. If True Tone behaves inconsistently, colors shift oddly or sensors lag, restart your device first, and then reset display settings if needed. Make sure case or screen protectors aren't covering ambient sensors. Finally, if problems persist, update iOS or contact support. These steps usually restore correct sensor-driven color balancing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.